बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra English Book 2. Students, as you know, we have started unit number 1 from book 2 and we have almost covered our first 2 segments. I hope you are doing your work on daily basis. So let's start our today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, it's our exercise A that we are going to start today from the comprehension segment. Okay, कॉम्प्रीहेंशन सेगमेंट में जो हमने रीडिंग की है उससे रिलेटेड हमने जो इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर की है उस पर हम इंशाल्लाह वर्क करेंगे। उसी इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम अपनी फर्दर एक्टिविटीज़ सॉल्व करने के लिए यूज़ करेंगे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने ड्यूरिंग रीडिंग गेट की थी। क्लियर? व्हाट इज़ द एक्सरसाइज 1? मैच द वर्ड्स विद देयर मीनिंग्स। दीज आर द वर्ड्स एंड दीज आर द इंग्लिश मीनिंग्स। आपने वर्ड्स को उनके एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग्स के साथ मैच करना है। इज इट ओके स्टूडेंट्स? लास्ट वाले वर्क में हमने उर्दू मीनिंग्स किए थे, आज हम एक तरह से इंग्लिश मीनिंग्स करेंगे। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग द वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कंट्री, फाउंडर, thank, give, love. Let's try to guess the meaning of country. Country's English meaning? Country. Very good. State. Country, state. मुल्क, रियासत। ठीक है, मुल्क। These two words have similar meanings. Founder. Founder mean creator. Very good. बनाने वाला। Next one, thank. Be grateful. Thank. Be grateful. शुक्रगुजार होना। Give. Provide. Give. Provide. देना, कुछ देना, किसी को कुछ मुहैया करना। Love. Like. And the last one, love, like. Yes, now we will do matching. Okay, my dear prep 6 students, in this way you will do matching by using scale and lead pencils. Now come towards the next activity. Our next activity is in exercise 2. Answer the following questions. First of all, we will discuss all the questions orally, then we will do the written work. Okay students, let's start. What is the name of your country? Very good. Pakistan is the name of our country. Very good. Next one. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Excellent. What is the national language of Pakistan? Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Which is the biggest city of Pakistan? Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan. How many seasons does Pakistan have? Pakistan has 4 seasons. Okay students, in this way we will discuss all the questions orally. Now let's move forward towards written work, and in written work we will not write all of the questions. Okay, we will do some of the selective questions on notebook. We will do question number 1, question number 2 and question number 4. Okay students, let me show you notebook presentation of question answers. Okay dear prep 6 students, this is the presentation of question answers. You can see on the board. You will mark today's date, Islamic day, page number and Islamic date. You will mark ½ inch plus single margin line on right side, 1 inch plus double margin line on left side. You will give the heading of question answers and you will double underline the heading. Then you will write exercise 2 because question answers हमारे exercise 2 से relate करते हैं. Okay, then you will write 1 in Romans. You will write question number 1. What is the name of your country? Question mark at the end. Then give the heading of answers, colon. When you put 2 full stop together, so it means colon. Pakistan is the name of our country. First letter will be capital, full stop at the end. Clear? Question number 2. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Question mark. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan, P will be capital. Clear? Full stop. Next, question number 4. Which is the biggest city of Pakistan? Question mark. Answer. Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan. First letter will be capital, full stop at the last. Okay students, so this is your home task that you will do for today's work. You can note it down, you can take the picture, and then you will complete your work. Your writing should be neat and clean. Now come towards the next exercise. Okay dear students, it's exercise C, and what we are going to do here, read the lesson and fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the capital of Pakistan. हमने रीडिंग की थी ना, उसमें हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन ली थी अपनी कंट्री के बारे में. तो व्हाट वाज दी, विच सिटी वाज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान? कैन यू टेल मी? Yes, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Very good. Next one, jasmine is a national dash. National flower. Very good. Shalwar kameez is our dash dress. National dress. Very good. Next one, Pakistan has dash provinces. 4 provinces. Very good. Now let's fill the blanks with lead pencil. Okay dear prep 6 students, in this way you will fill the blanks and your writing should be neat and clean. Now let's move over towards next page. Okay dear students, we have 3 more blanks to fill. A large part of our flag is dash. How many colors are there in your flag? 2 colors, green and white. So large part का कौन सा color है students? Green color. Very good. Pakistan celebrates Independence Day on dash. What is Independence Day of Pakistan? 14th August. Very good. We thank dash for giving us this beautiful homeland. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us this beautiful homeland. Homeland mean वतन. Okay students, blanks आपको cram करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you will read the unit by heart, अगर आप अच्छे से reading करते हो 3 to 4 times, तो आपको automatically ये answers मिल जाएंगे. Clear? Now let's fill the blanks by using lead pencil. Okay dear students, in this way you will note down the answers. Your writing should be neat and clean. First letter of Allah should be capital and first letter of August also. Clear students? Now let's move forward towards next activity. Okay dear prep 6 students, now our next activity is exercise 4. Use the following words in sentences of your own. We have to make sentences by using the given words. Let's discuss the meaning first of all. Muslims. Muslims. Are you getting the meaning? Muslims, Musalman. Flag. Flag. Our national flag is of green and white color. Flag mean Jhanda. Homeland. Very good. Watan. Dress. It's really easy. Dress. And the last one, flower. Flower. Okay students, it's your home task. You will make the sentences from the following words on your rough copies. Inshallah azwajal we will do the written work on neat copies tomorrow. Clear? अभी आपने इनके sentences rough notebooks पे बनाने हैं. इंशाल्लाह कल हम neat notebooks पे करेंगे. Now come towards our today's last activity. Exercise 5. Match the words with their opposites. Opposites as you do in Urdu. Alfaz mutazad. Okay, opposite. Opposite meanings. Match the words with their opposites. पहले हमने सेम मीनिंग्स के साथ भी एक एक्टिविटी की थी एक्सरसाइज 1 में. नाउ इट्स एक्सरसाइज 5 एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू द ऑपोजिट्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? अल्फाज मुतजाद जैसे आप उर्दू में करते हैं, इन दिस वे. नेक्स्ट वन, स्टार्ट रीडिंग. बिगेस्ट. बिगेस्ट. समर. समर. लव. love. beautiful, beautiful. Giving, giving. Try to find out the opposite of biggest. Biggest, yes. Smallest, very good. Summer, winter. Love, hate. Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful mean खूबसूरत, ugly mean बहुत बुरा, बदसूरत you can say. Giving, taking. Give देना, take लेना. Now we will match the given words. Okay, dear prep 6 students, in this way you will do matching and you will use your scales and lead pencils. For this activity, now let's know today's diary. Okay, dear prep 6 students, it's your today's diary. Learn plus 2 question answer number 1, 2 and 4. Okay, on each copies, plus 2 homework on page number 12 and 13. पेज नंबर 12 एंड 13 पे जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ आज हमने डिस्कस की हैं यू विल डू होमवर्क प्लस वी विल लर्न योर टुडेज लेसन. इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट लेसन. टिल देन टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.